Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by confirming prerequisites, then move straight into action. First, open Terminal and confirm Homebrew. If present, install Sqlite 3 with brew install Sqlite. Once done, run Sqlite 3 version to confirm. Next, create or open a database file with Sqlite 3:/mydb. Sqlite and immediately create a simple table to test. This quick first sequence gets you into the REPL so you can run SQL and see results. It removes setup friction and gets you writing queries fast. Now you will manipulate and inspect data. Start by using tables and schema to understand structure, then run insert statements to add rows you select to confirm. Once comfortable, switch mode column and headers on for clear output and use. Dump to export. For repeated tasks, write SQL scripts and pass them with Sqlite 3 MyDB. Sqlite script. SQL, parameterize values when possible to avoid injection. These steps let you transition from ad hoc queries to reproducible, safer operations. Finish by performing maintenance and advanced workflows. Run Pragma integrity check and vacuum to optimize and validate, always backup before schema changes. You can attach other Sqlite as other to run cross-database joins, then copy data between DBs with insert, select. Once done, export with. Dump for version backups. If something goes wrong and the DB is corrupt, try restoring from the latest. Dump or using Sqlite 3 recovery techniques. Make sure to stop writes and work from a copy to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.